having a Reuben sandwich and some cran grape juice for something different. So I hope everybody had a good St. Patrick's Day. I know this is a little bit past St. Patrick's, but it's still good. Yum. I have 2 slices of Swiss on there. I have a little bit of sauerkraut, not too much, just enough to add a little bit of flavor. And of course, corned beef on marbled rye bread. What did my phone just do? No clue. I'm seeing things. Corned beef's a little bit chewy. I think it would have been better if I had like shredded it instead of slicing it. It's so good. I love how marbled rye bread looks like that. Doesn't it look yummy? I thought it was cinnamon bread at first. I had to take a look at the bag. It's like, is that cinnamon bread or is that rye bread? It was rye bread. So, it freaked me out for a second there because I'm thinking, I'm not sure how cinnamon bread would taste with corned beef and cabbage or sauerkraut. But it's rye. I love rye bread. Rye and pumpernickel. So how you say that? Pumpernickel. That's all. I've gotten bags of them before and just brought them home just to munch. Nothing else with them, just to munch on them, the bread. It's so good. It would have been better if I ate it when it was warm, right after I got it out of the toaster oven, but excuse me, my camera kept wanting to pop off of the tripod, so I had to fight with that for a little while. Get everything all set up, all of a sudden, pew, it flies, the camera flies off at me. So, by the time I got done fighting with the camera and the tripod, my sandwich is cold. I'm hoping, fingers and eyeballs crossed, I can get a new tripod soon. But right now, well, actually, the tripod is not actually the problem. The problem is the little thingy I have my phone squeezed into, make it stay there on the tripod. The little thingy it's squeezed into actually goes to a selfie stick. My phone is bigger than most phones, so when I put it in there, it's like I could squeeze into a sardine can. It's like, let me out! Flies out of me. So, I guess I'll have to eventually see if I can find a bigger clip, I guess you call it. I'm not sure if that's what you call it. To put on the tripod for the phone. Excuse me. I have a little video camera that I could use, but I like using my phone better. Except for fighting with the stupid thing. One of these days I'll figure it out. Get something situated better. A new tripod situation. I need new lighting. Microphone. I'm spilling things out everywhere. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. And tomorrow's Saturday. Don't know if I'll get this posted tomorrow. Well, actually, as of right now, it's Saturday. So I probably won't get this posted until Sunday. Maybe. So, I hope you guys have a good weekend. I would post this tomorrow, but in the morning we've got to go down to my husband's family for his uncle's memorial service. So, I may not get this posted as quick as I want. So, in the meantime, I hope you guys are having a good weekend. And a good day and all that kind of good stuff. I love corned beef. What the heck is a corned beef? Corned beef. Cannot talk tonight. No judging. I think the only thing I don't like about corned beef, I catch myself there, I almost said it again, corned beef, is the fat that's marbled in it. I had to go through and trim off all the fat before I put it on the sandwich. Wow. I have bags in my eyes. Definitely be glad when I get to a doctor and figure out what's going on. Most people, that'd be the last bite, but I take itty bitty little bites. Here's the last bite. I should take one. I still got some down here. My hair is like flying away tonight. It's got a mind of its own. Here's the last bite. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm going to end it here for now. Let me know in the comments if you guys like Reubens, if you like corned beef and cabbage, if you like rye bread, if you don't like rye bread, if you like pumpernickel, all that kind of good stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Did I ever say that? Don't know if I did or not. If I didn't, then yeah, do that. Alright. Yeah, look at mess. Sorry, guys. I'll look better next time.